This is the big breaking story coming in. The first confirmation of 2 cases of Omicron being detected here in India. Both those cases are currently in Karnataka. A 66 and a 46-year-old male have tested positive. The government says that all their primary and secondary contacts are currently being traced and will also be tested. The government has reiterated that there is no need for panic. When asked about booster shots for the vulnerable population, the government says there is no decision on booster shots just yet. And what is important to note here is that both the 66-year-old and the 46-year-old individuals who've tested positive for the new rapidly transmissible Omicron variant are currently in a stable condition and have mild symptoms. So this is the important clarification coming in from the Health Ministry at the moment. The first confirmation that we have that 2 individuals, a 46-year-old and a 66-year-old from Karnataka, have tested COVID positive, and they have been found to be infected with the new variant of concern, the Omicron variant, which is rapidly spreading in South Africa. Now, this has led to a surge in cases and hospitalizations in South Africa, but the government's already clarified that the surge in hospitalization could also be because of the high number of cases being found in South Africa, and it doesn't necessarily at the moment indicate that this variant is indeed more severe or causes more severe disease. Let's once again listen in to what the Health Ministry has said.
पिछले 24 घंटे के अंदर हमारे देश में 2 ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट के केस हमारे इस नेटवर्क के द्वारा डिटेक्ट किए गए कर्नाटका में, जिसकी रिपोर्ट कल रात काफी लेट आई थी, जिसको हम आपके सामने रखना चाहेंगे। और वह जो 2 केस हैं उनके बारे में बताना चाहेंगे कि उसमें से एक केस 66 साल के एक मेल हैं, दूसरा केस 46 साल के एक मेल हैं। और जैसे कि हमारा प्रोटोकॉल है, ना कि हमारे इंसाकॉग नेटवर्क ने उसको समय पर डिटेक्ट किया, बल्कि एज ए प्रोटोकॉल, एज ए प्रैक्टिस जो हमारी कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग की पद्धति भी शुरू हुई है, और जितने उनके प्राइमरी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं और जितने सेकेंडरी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं उन सबको ट्रेस कर लिया गया है और उन सबकी टेस्टिंग करके उनको एज पर प्रोटोकॉल हम कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं।
Shrija joins us with the very latest at the moment. Shrija, the first confirmation there coming in from the Union Health Ministry that there are indeed 2 cases of the Omicron variant that have been detected here in India. Both cases are in Karnataka at the moment. Do we have any more information, A, on the travel history of these 2 patients and their current health status?
Well, this is the first case. In fact, India is reporting the presence of Omicron cases especially coming in from Karnataka. And as far as the health ministry here back in Karnataka is concerned, just about yesterday, once again, he went on to reiterate the fact that the Delta variant is not something that we are looking at in terms of 2 of the travelers who arrived from South Africa, while they had already sent those samples to INSACOG. And today we see Basavaraj Bommai, Chief Minister of Karnataka. He was at Delhi. Also one reason to in fact talk to basically the health ministry officials and brief them about the kind of preparations that Karnataka has made, but at the same time to get the results in terms of 2 of these patients. What we do know about the 2 of the patients, they have already been quarantined. This is institutional quarantine. And according to the officials from the health department, what they tell us is that their condition at the moment is stable, and their especially the